traffic stop and you're trying to drive away?
Get out the car. False state. Get out the fucking car.
It has nothing to do with anything.
I'm gonna fucking tase you. Get in the car. Get in the fucking car.
Damn, I'm fucking
Get in the
fucking.
Get in the fucking car.
You know, this is fucking ridiculous.
SC4, taser.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Crazy Amazing World, where we look at shocking and unbelievable videos from around the world. Today, we look at a case where police officers tase an innocent man 35 times for no good reason. Sit back and please subscribe. Let's dive into the video.
On November 29, 2022, a police officer from Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department noticed a driver allegedly following his patrol vehicle too closely. The officer pulled the driver over and interrogated him in a seemingly arrogant manner. But throughout the encounter, the driver remained compliant and calm.
Windows frozen.
Okay. What's up? Deputy Noah with the Sheriff's Office. Let me get your driver's license ready. Hold that dog.
Allie, get back. Can I ask where you're a little snippy? What's the problem is?
What's the problem?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're following too closely. Can't you see the roads are icy? You see me slowing down and you're still coming up behind me. There's no reason for you to be doing that.
Brakes in the icy.
It's not good. Don't tell me how I should be driving. Okay, I'm in a marked. All right, well, that doesn't give you the right to follow a marked patrol car close like that. What if I had to stop? I know there is ice there. That's why I was cruising, so I don't slip.
Both, really.
There's no reason for you to be that close behind a marked patrol car.
The driver hands over his driver's license to the officer as requested, while he keeps searching for his registration and proof of insurance.
Okay, when you find that, stay in the vehicle, your registration and insurance. I'll be back.
Meanwhile, the officer heads back to his patrol vehicle to verify the driver's identity.
That's for Clarence Mill.
While in his patrol vehicle, it can be seen that another pickup truck was parked few feet behind his vehicle. The driver of this pickup truck is Kenneth Espinoza, who is the father of the driver who was just pulled over by the officer. Mr. Espinoza and his son were going to the mechanic shop to get their vehicles serviced.
Copy.
After verifying the driver's details, the officer decides to inform the driver that he was being cited for following too closely. Under Colorado law, following too closely is a traffic infraction which could result in a fine of $15 to $100 and 4 points could be assessed to your driving record. If you accumulate 8 or more points in any 12-month period, your driving privilege may be suspended for up to 12 months.
Alright, copy. Okay, I'll be out on a citation. He's trying to also locate his registration and insurance.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Did you find it?
Recording too. Good.
You didn't find it?
No, you didn't have to be a simple problem.
So you didn't find your insurance or registration?
As the officer returns to give his citation, another officer who had responded to the scene for backup can be heard in the background arguing with Mr. Espinoza.
Do you always stop behind cops when they pull people over? I ain't stopped right behind you. Okay, you don't need to be here. You don't need to be here.
Okay, alright, you're getting a citation, so go ahead and close your door.
On seeing this, the officer quickly heads over to Mr. Espinoza's pickup truck, where the backup police officer was yelling at Mr. Espinoza, ordering him to leave the scene. Mr. Espinoza informed the officer that he was waiting for his son and would be on his way, right after the traffic stop.
You don't need to be here. You don't need to be here, okay? You need to go.
No, I don't. I'm waiting on my son. He's my ride back to Wilson.
Despite this, the officer insisted that Mr. Espinoza leaves the scene, and as can be seen from the body cam footage, he complied and started to leave. However, as he was driving off as ordered, this officer decides to create problems out of nothing, grabs the door of the vehicle, and starts to escalate the situation. Shockingly, he then pulls out his service pistol, aims it point blank at Mr. Espinoza while ordering him to get out from the vehicle.
He's my ride back to Wilson.
Leave. Leave. That's the car. Stay. Hey, stop the fucking, get out the car. Get out the fucking car. Get out the fucking car. Get out the fucking car.
What are you gonna do? You gonna
SD4, give me the radio. Get out the fucking car. Get out the car. Get out the fucking car. Get out the car. Get out the fucking car. Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the fucking car.
stop it now?
Get out the car.
In the middle of this, the second officer pulls out his taser and points it at Mr. Espinoza.
Get out!
Get out the fucking get out the car.
Hey, now get out!
Get out the car.
Hey, Nate, do you see this?
Get out the fucking car.
Do you see this?
Get out of the car!
Do you see this? Are you recording?
Yeah, we're recording it.
Yes.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
I ain't doing anything.
Okay. Now you're on a traffic stop and you're trying to drive away?
Get out the car.
Call state patrol.
Get out the fucking car.
It has nothing to do with anything. Okay? They don't have jurisdiction over it. Get out of the car. I got my truck. I don't give a shit. Put it in the car.
I just did.
Seatbelt is off.
At one point, the officer can be heard threatening Mr. Espinoza by saying, "Don't pull away from me, you're gonna get lit up." Even though from the body cam, it can be seen that he was pulling on Mr. Espinoza while asking him to get out, which restricted him from opening the door and stepping out.
Don't pull away from me.
I'm not.
You're gonna get lit up.
I'm not.
Okay, you're gonna get
You're
lit up.
breaking my arm, man. Hold on, I'm gonna get out.
Get out the fucking car.
I'm complying.
Get out the car.
Can you hold on? I'm not.
Get out the car, man.
I'm
Get
trying.
back over there now.
I'm trying. You just stay there and record. Ow. Then you guys
Get out.
Hold on.
Now.
I'm getting out. I'm not fucking.
You're under arrest.
I'm not.
Get out. Turn around and face the truck. You're under arrest.
Get out.
Okay, guys.
Put your hands behind your
Settle
back.
down.
Watch your
The footage also shows the officer tase Mr. Espinoza several times, even though his hands were behind his back and he was cooperating with the officers.
hands
Settle
behind your
down.
back.
Put your hands behind your fucking back.
I'm going.
Put your hands.
I'm going peacefully, son. Settle down. What's going on here? God damn, I just
Get the fuck back. Get back.
Hey, he's recording this case.
That's fine. He can record all he wants.
This is fucking crazy, guys. God damn.
I got
You guys
You do what you're told, all right? You think it's okay just to roll up a traffic stop?
No,
and not do what you're told? Now you go to jail.
That's all right.
Even after he was fully handcuffed, the officer still continued manhandling him, tased him in the face, and forced him into the patrol vehicle, slamming the door into his legs.
Turn around and face the truck.
I'm already cuffed. You guys not listening. If you listen, you want to get manhandled.
Now let's
Don't
go.
move.
Let's go.
That's great.
Put your ass in there.
You need to settle down.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Get in when you motherfuckers are.
I'm gonna fucking tase you. Get in the car. Get in the fucking car.
Damn, I'm fucking.
Get in the
No.
I'm fucking.
Get in the fucking car.
You know, this is fucking ridiculous.
SD4, taser deploy.
God damn, I don't fucking fit, fuckers. Fuck.
SD4, taser deploy at 1 mil.
Get back over there now.
The officers searched Mr. Espinoza's pickup truck. After this, they asked Mr. Espinoza for his information, but he refused to answer any questions. This triggered the officer as he aggressively pulled Mr. Espinoza out of the patrol vehicle, and all three officers on the scene dragged him on the ice violently and searched him. While being searched, Mr. Espinoza complained that he had taser pins inside his lip and his lip was bleeding.
Get out now. Get out.
Can you fucking
Now.
Get out the car.
Okay? This is how it's going to work. Okay? You're gonna do what you're told to do, and that's it.
Stand up.
Stand up. Up against the car. Spread your feet.
Come on, guys, this is excessive. Come on, man.
I got his wallet.
This is ridiculous.
Well, quit acting like an idiot.
I ain't acting like nothing. I got a fucking taser piece in my fucking lip. You guys fucking shot me right in the goddamn face.
Mr. Espinoza was taken to the police station. He was charged of resisting arrest and assaulting a police officer. Several months later, on April 24, 2023, the district attorney in a press release said that no charges shall be filed against Mr. Espinoza and that the case was officially dismissed. 2 days after this, Mr. Espinoza's attorney said that a civil lawsuit will soon be filed against the police officers. As of now, both officers involved in the case are still on duty in the department, and an internal investigation is currently ongoing to determine whether the officers displayed any misconduct. The county sheriff was asked to comment on the situation, but he declined. What do you think about this incident? Leave your comments below.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content.